I was so excited. For our birthday, my dad gave me a really cool present, and it was to go flying.
Temperature agreed, dew point -7. Altimeter agreed, 026.
My middle son Rocko and I share the same birthday, which is pretty cool. So I knew what I wanted to do for my birthday, and I asked Rocko if he wanted to come along and go flying with me, which of course he said yes.
Cool, buddy?
Yeah.
Alright. And National Ground 3721 Lima, home short Tango 4 uniform with Golf.
3721 Lima, National Ground, runway 20 center, taxi at Tango 4, Sierra 7.
Tango 4 Sierra 7 to 20 center, 21 Lima. You ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Listen, are you ready?
I'm so loud, buddy.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Good.
Good.
Bullet. Bullet. Yeah, National Tower 372 in Lima, hold short 20 center, full length, ready to go.
Jordan 7332, contact departure, we'll see you.
Jordan 7332, come on.
Is there somebody else ready to go?
Yeah, 372 in Lima, 20 center.
Tower 3721 Lima, roger, be just a moment for traffic departing the right side.
2 in Lima. Okay, you can put that back.
Tower 3721 Lima, fly the runway heading, runway 20 center, clear for takeoff.
20 center, clear for takeoff, runway heading, 2 in Lima.
Southwest, 4492, ground point 9.
Alright, buddy, here we go.
Alright.
You ready?
Woo! I'm ready. I am too. Me too. How's this not working?
You must have the microphone not up to your mouth. That's what happened to me. But I got it back up. Woo!
Wee!
Here we go! We're going up! Woo!
This is fun!
Way! Away we go! Woo! Oh, fun!
Please take off.
3011. Thank you.
Oh.
Tower 3721 Lima, turn right heading 270.
Right, 270, 2 in Lima.
Tower 3721 Lima, turn right heading 290.
Right. Right, 290, 2 in Lima.
Me
Tower
too!
3721 Lima, contact departure, have a good day.
Is he the same one as me?
Over departure, 2 in Lima, appreciate it. Nashville departure, Cessna 372 in Lima with you through 1300 for 4,000.
372 Atlanta, Nashville approach, roger, maintain VFR at or below 4,000.
2 in Lima. Oh, look, there's a racetrack.
Cool! That is awesome! I saw it, but I didn't think it was a racetrack.
That's a racetrack. You guys see the bat tower?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, I can too!
I can see downtown from uphill.
Flight 56, Nashville approach, you there? Flight 56, sir.
Downtown looks so small from up here.
You know, I was about 7 to the south.
Downtown got big towers.
Or en route to Smyrna.
What does this do?
It's a vent.
What?
It lets the air in. It's good when it's hot, but you don't want it open right now because it's cold.
Okay.
November 372 on Lemmy, maintain VFR at below 4,000, or correct them 5,500, and turn right on course to Bowling Green.
Okay, VFR at below 5,500 and direct on course Bowling Green, 2 in Lima.
But the towers are really big.
Yeah, but it looks so small from up here.
Doesn't it? It's pretty neat, huh?
I can see the bathrooms. They're good.
It's huge, but it's really small.
I know, right?
You see the airport out there?
Barely.
That big field?
I
Oh
can.
yeah, I see it now.
It does.
Hey, another plane!
Well,
It was over there. It was like flying right over us.
Oh, wow.
I thought it was a bird.
All right, buddy, your airplane. Keep it nice and straight. All right, we're at 5,000 feet. We got to climb up a little bit more. No, don't turn. Oh, don't pull back either. Just hold it right here. Hold it nice and straight.
I went to the waffle open.
We're going up. See? That shows we're climbing, and right there's our altitude. We're at 5,100 feet.
Oh. Bye, airport.
So what do you think, buddy? Is this pretty cool?
Yeah. I like your mermaid.
Here we go!
Whee! Okay.
See, the airport's right in front of us.
Oh, cool.
Oh, I can see it.
The Bowling Green.
Yep, we're over Bowling Green now. And Bowling Green traffic 372 in Lima, left downwind 21 Bowling Green.
Bowling Green traffic, Phenom 933 Mike Alpha, taxiing from the FBO to runway 21 for departure. Bowling Green traffic. Bowling Green Phenom 933 Mike Alpha, crossing runway 30 on Alpha, taxiing 21 Bowling Green.
Rocko, when we turn, look out your window. There's a racetrack out there. It's right out in front of us, but when we turn, you'll be able to see it.
Bowling Green 73 Yankee X-ray, taxiing from the ramp, runway 21 Bowling Green.
And 3721 Lima, left base 21 Bowling Green.
I can see
Copy that,
Goldfield.
4 to 4, Papa, y'all, good day.
I can see Goldfield from here.
All right. And 2 in Lima, final 21 Bowling Green.
Oh. Now where?
Shh. You okay, kiddo?
That plane's supposed to take off.
What do you think, Taco? Do you like flying?
Yeah. See, we didn't fly too much. It's just we fly to Bowling Green and then we walk to here.
That's true.
Hey guys, this video, this was quite super awesome too.
As a parent, you always find these little moments that just mean everything, and this is probably one of my favorites. We had a really fun day, and Rocko couldn't wait to go to school the next day to tell all his friends that he flew an airplane to go get lunch. I love that aviation is something I get to share with my kids. And getting to fly them over their city and let them see it from a whole new perspective is really fun for me.
And so what was your favorite part of flying today?
I like getting prepared.
Doing the pre-flight? What about you, Rocko?
My favorite part was like when we take off.
That was cool, huh?
Yeah.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
You want to do this again?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Hey, great job today, guys.
Thanks.
It was a lot of fun. I'm glad you came with me. You guys could be my co-pilots anytime.
Okay, let's get back in there. You said anytime.
Not this time.